Okay, Yogesh is also there.
No, Babu, tell me whose interview is there?
Sir, you told that Mayur and Akash. It's apart from
Mayur,
Okay.
Mayur and Akash. So 3 interviews we have to take today.
Okay, fine. Okay, first of all, Babu,
yes, एक मिनट.
all boys and girls. बाबू
Right,
थोड़ा
sir.
अपना इसको नीचे करो. Show your और या ओके अभी छोड़ो. बस ज़्यादा हो गया. या छोड़ो. It doesn't stay there. रुकता नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Look.
Okay, everybody look at Babu's thing. First point of the interview. How's Babu dressed? Anything wrong?
Sir, shirt is not pressed.
Huh?
Shirt is not properly pressed.
Okay, that is.
Sir, actually the gap between the collars is very बहुत ज़्यादा distance है. It should be closer.
Yes, that is the main point. Babu, either you haven't buttoned your
I think
collar,
so.
और अगर
Button है sir.
बटन किया है,
Sir,
बटन किया है, तो I think वो खुल गया है या है नहीं.
Sir, this is tight, sir. Actually, this is a little bit small, sir.
That is the second point.
I purchased it ready-made one, so it's not.
Yeah, so that is the wrong thing.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
नया शर्ट खरीदने के बाद भी अगर वो ठीक नहीं है, तो this must be seen. Yogesh's observation is absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
वो उसने बोला शर्ट प्रेस नहीं है, पर वो साइज छोटा है, इसलिए वो खिंची नजर आ रही है.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Exactly.
अगर आपको इंटरव्यू में जाना है, आर्म फोर्सेस ज्वाइन करना है, तो इतना डिसीजन तो सही होना चाहिए ना यार.
Sir, I will.
साइज नहीं डिसाइड कर पाओगे अपनी. How will you go and become an officer? How will you become a leader of so many people?
Sir, I have given for stitching, sir.
Okay, make sure that your thing is proper. Okay.
Yes, sir. May I ready, sir?
Yeah. Okay, Babu.
Yes, sir.
All set for the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Babu, tell me how was the day today?
Sir, it was very awesome, sir.
What was so awesome over the day?
Sir, I wake up in the morning as usually 5 o'clock. Then I get ready and study something on regarding SSB. Then I went for walking and I do exercise and at 1 hour. Then I came back from walking. Then get ready for office and I take breakfast at 8:30. Then I went for office at 8:45, and after reaching office I clean my table. Then I worked at 2 o'clock, sir. At 2 p.m. I return from the office, sir. Then I take lunch with my family. Then I take a nap for 20 minutes. That's all, sir. Then I get ready for interview.
What did you study for the SSB in the morning?
Sir, I practiced yesterday's some SRT, sir.
Okay, you said you had lunch with your family. Tell me what all did you have for lunch?
For lunch, sir. Lunch, sir. I don't get, sir. Get your question, sir.
Yeah, lunch only. What did you have for lunch?
Sir, I took rice, dal, fish curry, and achar and papad, sir.
ये fish curry, what variety of fish was this?
It's rohu, sir.
रोहू. रोहू तो कलकत्ता में होती है. How do you like रोहू? Babu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just asked you. I said रोहू तो कलकत्ता में होती है. How did you get it?
Sir, it is available here, sir. It's here.
Where?
Near in the Shikargarh, sir.
Okay, what are the advantages of having rohu?
Sir, it is fish. It's a protein, sir. It has a protein, sir.
How do you know it has proteins? Have you seen them?
No, I have learned in the TV, sir.
So that means whatever you learn in class or somebody tells you, start believing it.
Sir, actually, I have listened in the health doctor saying, nutrition saying in the observe in the nutrition, which is he is saying in the news in the TV channel, sir.
Okay, now Babu, just tell me something about your schooling and college in your native village.
Yes, sir. Sir, I did my schooling in 10th standard. I did my 10th standard in Mutterda High School, Taliparamba, and I scored 55% mark. And I did my pre-degree and degree in Sasay College, Taliparamba, and I scored 50% and 57%. And in the army, I did diploma in architectural assistantship, and I scored 78%, sir. And sir, did I any? Could you tell any question I left, sir?
Gurmeet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, comment on what Babu has done last 5-10 minutes. क्या गलती क्या सही?
Actually, the communication skill is weak and
नहीं क्या वीक है?
confidence some low.
क्या क्या वीक है?
सर एक तो कॉन्फिडेंस कम था और थोड़ा और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल की वजह से भी थोड़ा हो रहा है कि क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही प्रॉपर तरीके से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हम.
नहीं और बताओ क्या? ओके मयूर.
सर
मयूर.
Yes, sir. Sir, he's not at all, sorry, what to say, confident. He's very nervous. He's babbling here and there. He's not answering your at straightforwardly. And what to say, even he's not smiling, sir.
Okay, Rajveer.
Yes, sir. I just recently joined, sir, so I don't know, sir, what happened.
Ankita. Payal.
Good evening, sir. Sir, he was
evening.
nervous in the interview और थोड़ा सा confidence बहुत low था उसका. So
क्यों?
whatever he was asking, he was getting confused.
Why do you think so?
He was not able to answer properly. Even he was trying good, but there was lack of confidence.
Okay,
And he was
Ankita.
getting confused with questions.
Okay, Ankita. Ankita, you're not. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Sorry, sir. So he just seems a little nervous, and I think he's puzzled how to answer it.
Why is he puzzled? That is what I want to know.
Because he's a little conscious. He's a little
Okay,
conscious
Lokesh.
about.
Lokesh.
Jain sir.
Why? Bolo comments.
Why sir, looking nervous and small pauses in between.
Why? What is the reason?
Low confidence, sir.
You know, moment I asked him about क्या खाया, I said rohu. I said rohu का कैसे किया? So because he was not expecting कि I'll ask him those questions. सर डॉक्टर ने बोला मेरे को.
Yes.
एक बार रोहू खाया क्या? जो आज डॉक्टर ने बोला खा लिया. So that means you are not telling the truth. आप की चीज बना के बोल रहे हो. And moment I said, tell me about your schooling, you saw the difference between his confidence level. It straight away shot up. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप वो मैंने हर रोज बोलता हूं कि वो आपको I have given you a list of 36 questions. You prepare those questions, but be prepared for a
Spontaneous one.
be
Daily
prepared for a
routine. Daily routine.
daily routine. I said be prepared for the unexpected question.
Unexpected question.
He did not expect कि पूछूंगा खाने में क्या खाया. He said family के साथ lunch किया. इसलिए मैंने बोला था whatever answer you give, restrict your answer to those questions, those words which he is going to pick it up. I said, what did you do today? He said, I had lunch with the family. I said, what did you eat for the lunch? He said, I had rohu. I said, rohu तो Calcutta में जान के बोला मैंने. I know rohu is exported sent every all the country. But then he said, I said, किसने बोला? किसी ने बोला प्रोटीन होता है, किसने बोला? He said, डॉक्टर से पूछा. रोहू पहली बार खाया क्या? दैट मीन्स ये जो आपने कहानी बताई है मेरे को, आप अनएक्सपेक्टेड को एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे थे कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड आएगा, और जब आ गया, और मैंने कौन सा आपसे पूछा कि चंद्रमा चंद्रयान के रॉकेट की क्या रिएक्शन होती है? आई सिंपली आस्क्ड यू, भाई फिश क्यों खा रहे हो? बोलो सर प्रोटीन होते हैं। मैं किसने बोला? अब डॉक्टर ने पहली बार डॉक्टर ने बोला क्या? सर टीवी बचपन से खाते आ रहे हैं, आज भी खा रहे हैं। सो लोग कहते हैं प्रोटीन होती है, हमें भी लगा प्रोटीन होती है, हम भी खाते हैं, बस बात खत्म। दैट इज ऑल यू हैव टू बी देयर। मोमेंट यू ट्राई टू बिल्ड अप समथिंग रॉन्ग, यू विल गेट कॉट। सो डिड ही। एंड उसके बाद जैसे ही मैंने इसको चेंज किया, ऐसे टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर एजुकेशन, योर स्कूल, कॉलेज एंड ऑल, ही वाज ठक 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 ठक। I didn't ask him. He even mentioned he's done B architect का degree in the army. मैंने तो पूछा ही नहीं, मैंने स्कूल कॉलेज की बात करी. So you did not listen to my question also very clearly. बाबू, you understand?
Yes, I understand, sir.
और of course communication skills आपकी जो है, मैंने आपको अब कई बार ही बोला है, you have to speak in front of the mirror. Read a book, recite the same thing in your own words in front of the mirror. तो दिन में
I am doing, sir. I am doing.
5-6 बार करोगे तो आएगा. अभी यू स्पीक एवरी डे फॉर लास्ट 5 वीक्स. अब मैंने आज इंटरव्यू के लिए बोला तो घबरा गया यार मेरे से बात करने में. मैं तो वही बंदा हूँ जो आपसे रोज बात करता हूँ. घबराने की बात ही कोई नहीं है. और वो जो बैठा हुआ आईओ इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर, वो तो आपका सीओ साहब है, सीडब्ल्यू आपका. तो उससे क्या घबरा जाते हो क्या बात करने में?
Yes, sir.
If you don't get flustered with him, why here? So got the point everybody? सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
गुरमीत सिंह, तेरा नेट ठीक हो गया? गुरमीत?
यस सर.
हाँ बोलो, नेट ठीक हो गया?
यस सर.
Okay, now Gurmeet Singh, ask a question from Babu. Gurmeet?
यस सर.
बाबू का इंटरव्यू लो, उसको क्वेश्चन पूछो.
ओके सर. ओके बाबू सर. ओके बाबू सर, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
ये कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है यार, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछो, सोचो क्वेश्चन के बारे में. लोकेश तुम पूछो अभी जब तक गुरमीत सोचता है.
Right, sir. So, Babu sir, tell me something about your extra curriculum and hobbies.
Okay, sir. As far as my extracurricular activities concerned, I have active participate in NCC in school, colleges. So I achieved NCC A, B, C certificate. Based on the certificate, I got enrolled to Army. So my hobby is reading. That's all.
What type of reading, sir? Whether it is books?
Yeah, reading books.
So tell me something about your organization, sir.
Organization, sir. I am from military engineering service. MES is one of the pillars of Corps of Engineers, and other core pillars are survey group, BRO, and combat engineers. And it is the premier construction agency and construction agency. And there are 600 MES stations, including mainland and island territories of India. And in a year, there are 13,000 crore spending for the construction of the.
Okay, Babu, since you know that there are 600 installation, 13,000 crore, you tell me how many installations are there in your village and how much of budget is for them?
How many? Repeat, sir. I don't get that.
How many installations in your village? Not MES, otherwise civilian. And what is
sir, sir, in my village there are 10,000 population, sir. Sir, I don't know there are 10,000 population, sir.
I said installation. MES की तो बता दी, अपने गांव की बताओ ना.
Sir, in my village,
Babu, I am telling you again.
Yes,
Again, you are stuck. Point वही है. उतना ही बोलना है जितना पूछा जाएगा. आपने MES की कहानी सुनानी शुरू कर दी यहाँ पे. Who is interested in knowing that?
Yes.
He just asked you your co-curricular activities के बारे में पूछा.
Right, sir. नहीं,
आपने
he
तो
asked-
MES की कहानी शुरू कर दी.
he
You
asked
do
the
not speak
question.
anything extra. मैंने बार बार बोला है.
Sir, he asked
जो
the-
वर्ड्स आपके मुंह से निकलेंगे वो उसी वर्ड को उठा के आपसे अगला सवाल पूछेगा.
he asked about that question, sir.
चाहिए आपको.
Secondly, he asked, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you tell me. You said your hobby is reading. What kind of books do you read?
Sir, I have read 3 books, sir. One, The Turning Point, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and another is Tuesday with Maury, sir, Mitch Album. And third one is You Are the Best Wife by Ajay K. Pandey. That was fiction.
You are the best.
Wife.
Okay. What does this book contain?
What does, sir?
What does this book contain? What is it about?
Sir, it is tell the real story of his real story and his biography, autobiography, sir.
What has impressed you
his
most in
challenges.
this autobiography?
Sir, actually, sir, after the marriage, love marriage with his wife, sir. He and his wife studying the same college. After marriage, after the 1 year of getting married, the wife has fell in ill. Then after the wife died, sir. So after that, he overcome the sadness and sadness. He recovers, sir. And now
Okay,
he is
Rajveer.
doing the now he is
Rajveer,
doing the
okay. Rajveer, comments. Rajveer, you're not there. Okay, Mayur, comments.
Yes, sir. Sir, as you told that he is speaking extra. From that extra, you are he's giving a lead to you that just Lokesh asked you about just organization. He led to the another MES one. So he's giving you a lead, and that will make him into puzzled, or to say that IO will ask him again and again. He will let into mess. And
So what should you be doing?
so it should be a very short answer. It should not extend to a paragraph.
Okay, it should be a short answer. What else? Yogesh, forgot.
Yes, sir.
What
Sir,
else? Short answer and what else?
Sir, short answer with a correct sequence, sir.
And what else? What else? Should IO? You should lead the IO.
Sir, he is using first of all communication skills in this type of wording should not be used directly. He should be knowing the answer and direct forward the answers. And sir, second problem is, sir, that he is not too confident about the reading the books and not stay forward about the questions about the books.
He's given you the right answer. He's told you what is written in the book. That means he's read it. The problem
Yes, sir.
Actually.
Yeah, sir. And actually, sir.
Okay, so mannerisms, all of you must correct while speaking. Practice in front of the mirror. Okay, I've told you so many times. Don't worry about the pronunciation, but you must speak confidently and slowly. Okay? So, Babu, have you noted down this?
right, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
please work
I
on
noted,
these
sir.
and
Yes,
get
sir.
back to me if you have a problem.
Yes, sir.
Who's the next chap? Varun?
Akshay and Mayur Singh.
Who?
Sir,
Akshay
my
and
Okay,
Mayur and Akshay.
Mayur, switch on your camera. Babu,
my
switch off your Yeah, Mayur, come. Okay. Gurmeet,
यस सर.
आज तक जो भी हमने इंटरव्यू के बारे में पॉइंट्स दिए हैं अब उनको सम अप करिए. जो पिछले 10 दिन से हमने इंटरव्यू के पॉइंट्स देते हैं ना, हर रोज 2-3 पॉइंट आते हैं, उसको सम अप करिए. एंड एवरीबडी बी रेडी फॉर दिस बिकॉज आई विल बी आस्किंग ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी. Whatever you think are the points required to be kept in mind while going for an interview. Everybody has to answer one by one. So who will be the next? I'll tell you after Gurmeet finishes. Okay, Gurmeet, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, most of the people are not a good confident. Even Gaurav Sharma, and but is the all are well dressed, and as well as given the extra answers. Interviewing officer is ask the questions, organization, then he tells to the extra extra आंसर देते हैं. So do not show your 15 OLQs during the interview, during the questions.
Lokesh,
Sir, in while interview, we must be know about ourselves, education, family, hobbies and interest, and where we are working right now. It must be know ourselves, and we will practice these things daily and routine. Because of this question will be asked over there. So improve communication skill in front of mirror daily on the basis to improve these basic 5 to 6 things, sir.
okay. Akshay Kedar.
Yes, sir. There are many things student have mistakes, sir. First, you repeatedly told about don't speak more words rather than you know very well about it. And second thing, sir, you told about go in always proper manner while giving interview, including while representing yourself. The question is mainly like that. Tell me something about yourself. In that you can write, we can write the our name, meaning of our name. Secondly, sir, your village, district, state, and and main thing is confidence, sir. And another important point I noticed that, sir, eye contact. Most of the student didn't maintain eye contact with you, sir, while giving the interview. And another one thing is that please we have to maintain proper sequence while giving the answer, sir. If we were not able to maintain
Okay, Akshay. Okay, Ankita, what do you think are the important points to be borne in mind before you go for an interview?
So this is my first time attending the session, but
That is why I'm asking you. That is why I'm
yes,
asking
sir.
you.
So
That is why I'm asking you.
So my takeaways are we should always be on our toes to be prepared with the unexpected questions. And apart from that, we should be very sure about what we are talking, as the next question gonna depend upon those points, and followed by, I feel, like the mannerism, as you mentioned.
Okay, where are you from? Where are
So
you
I'm
from?
from Kolkata.
Kolkata. And you appeared for CDS or yet to appear?
So I appeared, but I could not clear. But I went for SSB thrice. Once I was conference out, and two of the times I was screened out.
And you think you can do it again?
Yes, sir. I believe so.
Okay, if that be so, Jatin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, switch on your video and tell Ankita what she should do to clear the SSB interview, IO's interview.
Yes, sir. So firstly, she should be aware about all the 15 OLQs in her unconscious mind, so that the questions or the different situation in which the IO or the other assessor will put her, so that the response will be according to that. That's the basic requirement for having a.
Okay, Rajveer, are you there? You come back, Rajveer?
Yes, sir.
Tell Ankita and Jatin, both of them for the first timers here, tell them how will they use the templates, which template to be used while being in front of the interviewing officer.
So template number 2, there is a hero, there is a theme, and there is an analysis of the theme and secondary character and using of education. Mainly, we have to use our mind to show 15 OLQs. When you are asked, tell me something about yourself or something extracurricular activities, we can frame something like that, that we can show 15 OLQs like that.
Okay, give the example.
Okay, sir. If you will ask me like that, what you do in extracurricular activities, like I participate in many events of the college. So how I participate in that, how I organize that, how take the help from the someone else, how I cooperated with my teachers and colleagues, and I executed it like that. I have to show.
Where did you put that into the template? which Ankita and Jatin has not seen as yet.
What, sir? Can you repeat, sir?
How did you use the template? Ankita or Jatin has not seen the template as yet.
Okay, sir. First of
How will
all,
you explain to them?
okay, sir.
You
First
should
of
use
all,
the template while answering interviewing officer's question.
okay, sir. When he will ask about, tell me about extracurricular activities, so consider yourself as a hero. Then take in a theme like what organizing a birthday party or something, college event, something like that is a theme, and the analysis of theme like that. What kind of things you have to require? How many people you inviting them? Where you arrange the foods? How you are where you are going to organize? That are the reasoning. So what you have to do? How you have to do? And then secondary character whom you are taking to help your friends, your family members, like that. And then education, you are giving them work who will handle this work, like that, sir.
So, Jatin, what have you understood out of this?
So that if IU asked us about a situation or to organize something, so firstly we should divide that work in small part and also provide the work to our family members so as to complete the work on the time with precision.
Ankita, what's your impression? What's your take on this?
Sir, I feel whenever a task is allotted to us, so we should first plan how we need to proceed with it, followed by the distribution of work, and finally there'll be proper execution.
So then how would you
Making-
ensure those 15 qualities here?
So that depends upon the situation, I feel, because whatever the situation is, how we are acting upon it, that shows our character. And in between those 15 qualities will be depicted itself.
How?
So that something
Give an
should be
example. Give an
included.
example. Like he's talking about the birthday party. You said, okay, you analyze it. What time, where, cake will come from where. Then it's a secondary character. Ask him to get a cake, somebody to get the lights, somebody to do decoration, and then execution. Now, how
Yes,
did just tell me one factor, how did it come? Any one factor, pick it up.
So like proper distribution of work, that shows how we can judge people well, who can do the activities or who is good at what work.
What
Therefore,
quality is this? What quality? You're right. What quality is this? As per the 15 OLQs.
so decision making, I feel,
Okay. And anything else?
time management.
No. 15 qualities. Which one is this?
So that one is this. So it's this is
Okay, Jatin, you take an example. Show how 15 qualities will come. This example.
So by the same example,
Yeah, same example.
sir, if I am going for organizing a birthday event, so firstly, as I am going to divide the work mainly into
No,
the
that Ankita
part-
has already said. Ankita has
Yes,
already
sir.
told. She said she'll finally execute it. I said, which quality has come in? Give-
effective intelligence.
Huh?
Effective intelligence.
Which one?
Effective intelligence.
Effective intelligence, yes. What else?
Sir, execution.
No, execution 15 qualities mein hai kya?
No, sir.
When you created secondary characters, asked people to help you, which quality was this?
leadership.
And
I'm
which
not
is
sure.
leadership qualities in 15 qualities? What is it called in OLQs? Leadership kahan aati hai? Okay, leadership is factor 3. Your decision making, your confidence, your what do you call
Initiative.
ability to influence others, your liveliness, your initiative. That is leadership. And factor 2 is your social adaptability. That means you have all the guys with you. Okay. Go, Jatin, for the last time before we break off, I took your session for 40 minutes. What did I tell you? And you repeated it also. Repeat once again for everybody.
Okay, sir. So
Comment
firstly,
on what Jatin is saying. Jatin will speak for 2 minutes. He'll give you 3-4 points, and then you will be commenting on it.
okay, sir. So firstly, starting with the my previous SSB that I was conference out. So firstly, sir, you asked me about the main reasons behind my conference out according to me, saying that I give some reasons of by like the not proper answering and not giving a satisfactory answer to the different assessors. But after hearing through the sir told that the main reason is that I was not aware about the 15 OLQs, and also those OLQs were not in the my unconscious mind. So that's why the responses of mine in the SSB was not as per to that. And also, sir told me about to search on the Bloom's. Bloom's taxonomy. So I will search on that also. And also, sir told me that our like my movement of my tongue and the lips also shows that I was not that much confident. So because of that, that may be the one of the reasons. That's why the IU was not agreeing to recommend in the conference. These are
There's
some
something
of the
else
reasons.
also I told you.
Mm,
15 qualities, 17 tests.
sir. Yes,
Coming
70
model.
test. Yes, sir.
Tell them what it is. Tell Ankita what it is.
Sir told that as as the person is going for the test in the SSP for the 17 tests, in each of the tests they are judging the person on the all the 15 OLQs. So we should be must aware about all the 15 OLQs, and that should be in our subconscious mind. So our responses will be according to that in all the 17 tests.
Gaurav is not here, sir.
Yes, sir. Jain, sir.
Okay, tell me what is Bloom's taxonomy?
Bloom's taxonomy, sir, going step by step, going with a step by step procedure.
Give an example.
For example, let us take an example of solving a problem. Suppose I have a problem that I have to go somewhere from a car. So what I will do is I will go towards the car, open the car, put the key in ignition. I will start the car. After that, I will check the car is running fine. After that, I will go. So we have to do it step by step. If we will not open the car by unlocking it, the car will not run. So it is a step by step process.
Okay,
It
give
is
an
an
example
of
of templates.
example over templates.
Yeah.
So let us consider that there is a fire, and suppose we are living in a village and there is a fire. So firstly, we have to analyze that there is a fire. What are the steps to be done? After that analysis, we have to analyze that
No, explain how do you use templates.
So you have shown templates to these guys. Okay, so for using templates, suppose for the same situation we have to use templates. The in that the second template will be used, which is in which there is a we have to write the theme. Theme is whatever you want to give the subject to the problem. After writing the theme, you have to give an analysis. What is analysis? In analysis, you write whatever things are needed, whatever the steps are required to solve the problem. After writing analysis, you have to go for secondary. Before analysis, you have to write hero. In hero, you have to in most of the cases you have to write either your name or name of a person. In most of the cases it should be your own name. After that, there is analysis I have already told you. After that, there is secondary characters. In secondary characters, we have to give task to secondary characters according to the analysis. In analysis, we have the solution of a problem. Now we cannot do everything by ourselves, so we have to give it to the secondary characters. After giving it to secondary characters, we have to write execution. In execution, we have to write that whatever task we have to give secondary characters, we chose secondary characters, we have to give the task to the secondary characters and write it in execution. In execution, we can also order it step by step. This is what we do. This is how we solve a problem with templates.
Okay. Ankita, what have you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, I understood is like I need to go through that Bloom's taxonomy, and that will help me to get a clear view about the template. I understood as he said, whatever the task is given to us, first we need to plan and then according to the situation of the given task, how is that work to be done, followed by the secondary characters. How are we going to distribute the work or the task to the secondary characters, and finally, how are we going to execute it?
Suppose you don't follow Bloom's taxonomy, what will happen?
If I don't follow it, I won't be able to plan it accordingly in a sequential manner. And ultimately, I won't be using my resources properly along with my secondary characters. And finally, I'll fail in my proper execution also.
No, what exactly is missing? Why will you fail? You might still do it.
So because I won't be able to utilize the resources and my secondary characters well.
How is psychologist bothered? कि अगर utilize नहीं किया है, so what? Story तो फिर भी है.
So that shows that I am poor at decision making and taking actions. Decision making and taking actions.
Decision making is which quality? So you said you will miss out on your OLQs.
Yes, sir.
OLQs will not come. Jatin? Yeah, Rajveer, correct. Yeah, what is your comments? Why should you use Bloom's taxonomy?
So to have a proper execution of a plan, as we will start with the step-by-step procedure.
नहीं, अगर step by step नहीं करोगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा यार? स्टोरी तो फिर भी लिख लोगे.
सर फंबल हो जाएगी स्टोरी, मतलब हम पूरा एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाएंगे.
नहीं, फंबल भी होना तो स्टोरी is still a story. You're not going for Ankita, are you going for Nobel Prize like Rabindranath Gurudev?
No,
are you
sir,
looking for
no.
a Nobel Prize here?
No, sir.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for proper completion of my task, which shows my OLQs.
OLQs. Why I'm giving Bloom's taxonomy, I'm giving you a template so that you jump from one step to the second, third to fourth, so that you do not miss out on those 15 qualities. And there are 5 templates. You two of you are first timers. That's why I asked you. That is why you should understand there are 5 such templates for all the tests, all the 17 tests. And there's a communication model, how to put those qualities into your own mind. And these templates are how you take out from your mind and put it in front of the IO when you're speaking, the psychologist when you're writing, or GTO when you're doing something. Okay. So this is how it is. So any questions, anybody? We'll meet at 6:30. Any questions?
No, sir.
Justin, you join at 6:30 also.
So same link?
Yeah, same link.
Yeah, same link.